Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel's Nath online classes. Today I Vidyasagar is present in front of class 6 to discuss subject math with all of you. So please like the channel, share and subscribe it. Today I am going to discuss about number systems. Here we are going to discuss using large number in measurements. How we can measure large numbers such as length, mass and capacity. So look at here, this is very useful for you because by knowing these things you will be able to measure the length of any things, the mass and the capacity. But how we can able to do so for this purpose please look at these things. For measuring lengths we generally remember one things: milli, centi, deci, meter, deca, hecto, kilometer for measuring length. And for measuring mass in the same way we use deci, centi, milli, centi, deci, gram, deca, hecto, kilogram. And for measuring capacity we use milli, centi, deci, liter, deca, hecto, kiloliter. Means it is the multiple of 10. It is the multiple of 10. If we measure length and we move towards left, then we divide all the things by the multiple of 10s. For deci 1 by 10, for centi 1 by 100, for milli 1 by thousands. And by moving towards right we multiply all the things with the multiple of 10. For deca 10, for hecto 100 and for kilo thousands. So these are the tricks used to measuring length, a mass or capacity of a substance. That is, by these tables we can remember 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. Again, 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter, 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. In the same way we measure mass and capacity in gram or liters respectively. Or you can remember these things in another way, in the reverse way. It means 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter, 10 meter is equal to 1 decameter, 10 decameter is equal to 1 hectometer, and 10 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometers. So student, you have to remember these tables so that you can keep it in mind in easy way. Now I am going to explain how the number is estimated, because large numbers sometimes need to estimate for better calculations. So this process is called as estimation or rounding off. For this we apply a trick. If we want to round off a number nearest to its nearest tenth, hundredths or thousandths positions, for this we check the number. Listen carefully, this is the main points. So please listen these points carefully. If wants to round off a number to its nearest 10, for this we take a digit at one places and we check it, either it is less than or equal to 5 or greater than 5. If this number is less than 5, then we add 0 at the 10 place digit. As for example, here 54, we have to round off it nearest 10. Here 4 is less than 5, then add 0 to 5 because it is at 10th place, and make 1's place 0 and make 1's place 0. If the number at 1's place is equal to or greater than 5, then add 1 to the digit at 10th place, 10 place, and make the digit at 1 place 0. As for example, 55, 5 is equal to 5, so add 1 at 1 place, 10 places, so 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So the round off number is 60 and make 1 place 0. In the same way we will round off to the nearest 10. So look at these things, and I hope you have understand, and you will practice a lot of problems, and by practice you can make your calculations easier. Now let us discuss how we round off a number to its nearest 100 and 1000 places. Please look at, to round off or to estimate a number to nearest 100 and 1000 places, we apply the same rule. What is this? Please look at here. As for example, I want to round off 4, 5, 6 to nearest 100. So we have to look the digit at 10 places because we have to round off this number to nearest 100. So I am looking here, the number or digit at 10 places is 5, which is equal to 5, which is equal to 5. So what is the rule? The rule is, if the number is equal to or greater than 5, then we have to add 1 to the digit which is at the 100 places. So we have add here 1 and I will get 5. So the round of number is equal to 500 because we add 1 and make the digit at 10 places and 1 places at 0. So here the number round off to the nearest 100 is equal to 500. One thing you can also know, if the number is greater than 50, as here I am looking 456, which is greater than 450. If the number is greater than or equal to 450 or greater than 450, then we have to write it 500. So we have to moving towards 100, or it is less than 50. If it is less than 50, then we have to move in backward directions. So this is the main trick. So I have written, if the number at tens places is equal to or greater than 5, then add 1 to the 100 places digit. 100 places digit. Right. 100 place the digit at 100 places and make the digit at 10 places and 1 places 0. And we have to make the digit at 10 places and 1 places as 0. And we have to apply the same rule if we want to round off a number to nearest 1000. So in this video we have discussed these things because you have to solve exercise 1.2, which is your SW, and in this exercise there are usage of measurements and estimations. So I hope you have understood all the things taught by me, and you must solve exercise 1.2 clearly yourself. If you have any problem, then I would discuss exercise 1.2 in the next upcoming video tomorrow. Till that, I want to say goodbye. See you. Thank you.